Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about logical function, which is AND. AND is a logical function which is used to apply multiple conditions within a AND. So AND is also called operators. So here, let's see how we can apply the AND operator. Then I will utilize the AND operator with if function to take the result on the basis of defined condition within the AND operator. So let's see the definition part. AND function returns true if all the conditions are true. If it returns false if any of the condition are false. So you can see here, this is the AND operator. I have applied B2 more than 30, C2 more than 30, D2 more than 30, E2 more than 30. So here I have applied 4 conditions within the AND operator. So B2 more than 30 is first condition, C2 more than 30 second condition, D2 more than 30 third condition, E2 more than 30 is fourth condition. So if all the conditions are true, then you will get pass or fail if we are applying AND operator with if. First, I will let you know how we can take the result through the AND operator, true and false as a result. Okay, so let's see the practical approach. So here I'm just taking true and false. So here I'm just telling you how we can apply the AND operator. So you need to write here AND. You have to take a reference of first subject maths more than 33 marks. This is a first condition. Then you have to take science more than 33 marks. Then you have to take third condition more than 33 marks in English. Then fourth condition, you have to take computer more than 33 marks. Bracket close. Here I have applied the 4 condition. First condition, second condition, third condition, and fourth condition. These are 4 conditions I have applied in the AND operator. So now enter. So see here, you are getting true. Why I'm getting true? Because all the conditions within the AND operator I have taken, which all are false. So let's see how we can see. So you have to go to formula and you have to put your pointer on formula. Then you have to click on evaluate. So see here, my first condition is B7 more than 33. So you can see here, this is 35. 35 is more than 33. So you will get here true. See here true. C7 more than 33. So let's see second condition more than 33. That's why I'm getting here true. Third condition again true. Fourth condition again true. So I have clicked multiple time on evaluate options. Then I'm getting all the conditions are true. Then my result will be true. See here. So in this way, we can check the conditions. So now I want to convert the true result as a pass and false result as a fail. So how we can convert it? So you will have to apply here if logical function. So here I'm applying if logical function. This is true. Then I need to take here pass. Otherwise, I need to take fail for false. Enter. Now true will be converted as a pass and false will be converted as a fail. So this is the approach to apply the AND operator. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.